Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are 9 t-shirt mockup. These are GR mockup. You can simply download from the link in the description. This is available for free on my website GFX. So let's open this. These are completely customizable. So here you can customize all this here. So I will replace your design on you can replace your own design over here. I place my logo, double click it. So there it is. So I just need to drag my logo here, drag and drop your design, whether in PNG format or DPG format. So double click here, here's my logo. So I will just simply Control S, place, wait for saving, and here you can see my logo. I just forgot to move the design here. Control S, here you can see I put my logo here. So similar, like these are 9 templates. I just have a little issue with my mouse. So here you can replace your design here, and you can do all change like setup, color, t-shirt color, anything completely customizable. I know you can do this. And here this is Amazon. So again you can do this, just double click this, replace image, and here is a light setup. You can see you can change the t-shirt color, scene, anything. These are 9. That's in the video. I hope you quite found it interesting. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also like this video. Take care.